Is your Toyota GR Yaris key fob not working? Common symptoms include the remote lock-unlock buttons failing or the car not recognizing the fob. The most likely cause is a dead CR2032 battery. This video will guide you through replacing it. Before you start, gather these tools: a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool, and a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, available at most auto stores for around $5. First, locate the small notch or slot on the edge of the key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool into this notch and gently pry the case open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, tilting it out with a fingernail or tool. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side faces up. Snap the case back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle to confirm it's working. If it still doesn't work, check for corrosion on the battery contacts and clean with a soft cloth. If problems persist, your key fob may need to be reprogrammed.